So if you're a YouTuber, you have to watch this video. So let me show you real quick. If you go to Google search and search for Shopify tutorial, you observe that the first search engine, you will see that Shopify is ranking number 1, and another video is actually ranking Shopify official tutorial. And if you check this video very well, you actually click on the key moment of the video, you discover that this video is about a 1 hour long, and most people are not willing to dedicate their time to watch from beginning to the end. That is why you have to add chapter or timestamp to your video. So as you can see, this video is actually 0 to like an hour. So as you can see, to an hour. So I'm going to show you exactly how I can add this
so
kind
that it
of
actually entices.
Let me pause this. I'm going to show you exactly how you can add this YouTube chatter to your video and be able to rank very fast on Google and also on YouTube. So ensure you watch this video from beginning to end, because I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide to do it without needing to do it manually using AI. Without wasting most of your time, let me show you exactly how I can add YouTube chatter to your video. So let's assume that this is one of the video I've added YouTube chatter. But the first method to actually add YouTube chatter to your video is you can actually allow YouTube to do it automatically. So whenever you want to publish your video, ensure that automatic chapter is toggle on, so that, like, for example, now a chapter and key moments make your video much watchable. So whenever this particular toggle on is on, so YouTube is going to add key moments. They are going to do it automatically. I think their AI is going to do it, but most of the time this particular method doesn't really work, due to the fact that if your video doesn't go viral or you don't have much view, YouTube will not be able to know where to add the YouTube chapter. So let me show you exactly how I can do it manually. So I'm going to go back to the home page of my YouTube channels so to show you. So I'm going to use one of my videos as a case study so that I'll be able to know how to do YouTube chapter for yourself. So let's assume that I'm going to be doing YouTube chapter for this particular video. So let me click on the video to show you the start. One important reason why you should add YouTube chapter is allow most of your audience know, like, if they have a particular area they want to watch, they will just go straight to that particular area without needing them to watch the entire video. So let's assume that I want to add YouTube chapter to this particular video. So we are going to be using AI for this case study. So the AI we are going to be using is actually called gratifywrite.com. So this particular AI tool is a free AI tool. You can actually sign up. So I'm going to drop the link inside the video description for you to actually sign up. So all you have to do is to click on sign up for free over here. You are going to either sign up with your Gmail. You can actually log in with your Gmail, or you create an account with your email and be able to register. So due to the fact that I already have an account with Gratify AI, so all I have to do is to actually log in to show you the dashboard of this particular AI tool. So this AI tool is going to do the thing automatically for us, instead of we watching the entire video, trying to split the video into chapter. So right now, now that we are already getting Gratify AI tools, so I'm going to click off. So the next thing you have to do is to come to this particular video you want to do chapter for. So let's assume that this is the video. So I'm going to copy the URL of the video. So copy the URL, then paste it in another browser to actually show you how you can add YouTube chapter to the video. So you have to do it manually for each of the video you want to add the YouTube chapter to. So it's loading up. So I'm going to pause the video. So I'm going to wait for it to load on automatically. So this is the video we want to add YouTube chapter on. So the next thing you have to do is to click on show more over here. Then you are going to scroll down, then you are going to show, like, you are going to click on the show transit. So I believe you can actually do this on your laptop. I don't know if it's going to work on your mobile phone. So show transit, and it's going to load up with transit at this particular dashboard. So I'm going to copy the transit from beginning to the end. So we are going to copy the entire transit from beginning to the end. So copy, then we are going to copy the transit, then come over to this particular AI tool. Let me click off. Then you are going to locate these two. Actually do a lot of things. You can write YouTube script, you can write email copy, you can actually check your plagiarism. There are a lot of things you can do with this Gratify AI tool. So but right now what we are concerned is actually doing a chapter for our video. So we are going to find this particular YouTube tools. So you toggle it down and you are going to find timestamps. So you are going to click on it and it's going to load up a page for you to paste all the timestamp you are copying. So I'm going to paste the timestamp over here and allow AI to do the magic for us. So it's going to actually read the entire content, like probably watch the video, actually make sure it give us a timestamp that will be perfect fit for the video. So I'm going to click on generate content and we are going to see what this AI tool is going to do for us. As you can see, it's actually giving us some like introduction, which is 00, TikTok affiliate trend, eligible country, join TikTok shop. So it has read the entire video and give us the possible timestamp for the video. So all I have to do is to copy this timestamp, then come over to my video. Like it's very, very simple. Honestly, it's very, very simple. So I'm going to locate a particular area in the video. So scroll down a little bit. So let me scroll down, then paste it over here. So I'm going to paste the timestamp. Like I'm actually going to click on save. So one of the advantage of using timestamp in your video is the fact that whenever people are searching on Google, you are going to also rank as this particular keyword actually rank, which is Shopify tutorial. So if someone actually search on Google, related to your video, you are going to actually show up on Google Chef. So that is one of the advantage. So let me show you that this particular timestamp is actually working now. So let me click on the video to show you. Whenever someone is watching, they are going to show these timestamps. As you can see, we have introduction, we have TikTok trend, we have eligible country, and we have TikTok shop join, and we have TikTok community, then we have TikTok buy TikTok account, then conclusion, establish LLC. So this is a great idea for someone that want to actually make sure that they have content show more on Google. So as you can see, there is chapter in my video now, since I've used the AI to do the chapter. So I hope this video actually help you one way or the other, like trying to make sure that your video go viral on YouTube and be able to make sure you grow very faster on YouTube. So if you actually like this video, give us a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below if in the near future I'll be making this kind of video. So it actually encourage me to produce more content like this. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to subscribe for Gratify AI, I'm going to drop the link inside the video description for you to actually join. It's free, so all you have to do is to sign up with your email and you are good to go. I will see you in my next video. Bye.